students, welcome to chemistry online class. Different types of soils are found in different parts of India. In some places there is clayey soil, in some places there is loamy soil, while some other place there is sandy soil. The nature of the soil is affected by wind, rainfall, temperature, light and humidity. These factors affect the soil profile and brings changes in soil structure. These climatic factors determine the type of vegetation and the crops grown in any region. Clayey and loamy soil are both suitable for growing cereals like wheat, gram and paddy. Clayey soil has good water holding capacity. For paddy, rich in humus and organic matter and good capacity of water retaining quality is ideal. For loamy soil, pulses are suitable to grow. But about sandy soil, in sandy soil, water drain quickly. It is suitable for growing peanut, coconut and palm. Soil is very important natural source and is an inseparable part of our life. So, we have the duty to conserve soil. You might have heard about soil erosion. What is soil erosion? The removal of surface land by wind, water or ice. The roots of the plants firmly bind the soil. In the absence of trees and plants, soil becomes loose and easily removed by wind or flowing water. Soil erosion is severe at the place having little or no surface vegetation, such as desert and bare land. Cutting of trees and deforestation should be prevented and make an effort to increase the green area. This chapter is over. Now we can discuss exercise question answers. All of you take page number 105. Please mark one word question answers in your textbook and copy the long answers into your notebook. First one, in addition to the rock particle, the soil contains, third one is correct, mineral, organic matter, air and water. Second question, the water holding capacity is highest in clayey soil.
Yes.
Third one, match the following. A home for living organism. Correct one, all kinds of soil. Second, upper layer of the soil. Match to option C, dark in color. Third, sandy soil, large particles. Fourth, middle layer of soil, lesser amount of humus. Fifth, clayey soil, small particles and packed tight. Fourth one, question, explain how soil is formed. Soil is formed by the process called weathering. Weathering means breaking down of rocks by the action of wind, water or climate. And fifth one, how is clayey soil is useful for crops. Clayey soil is best for growing many crops because it is rich in humus and organic matter. It's more fertile and it has the capacity to hold water. For this reason, clayey soil is best for crops, especially wheat, grams, paddy. Sixth one, list differences between clayey soil and sandy soil. Sandy soil, it contains greater proportion of higher particles, while in clayey soil, the greater proportion of smaller particles. Sandy soil is loosely packed, so it contains more space between the particles, so it's well aerated. It can drain water quickly, but in clayey soil, the particles are well tightly packed, so there is no space between the particle. It contains less air. It can hold high amount of water. And seventh one, sketch the cross section of the soil and label the various layers. The figure of soil profile you can see in page number 98, figure 9.3. Please copy the picture and study how to draw soil profile and mark each horizon. Eighth one, Razia conducted an experiment in the field related to the rate of percolation. Percolation means seepage of water. She observed that it took 40 minutes for 200 ml of water to percolate through the soil sample. Calculate the rate of percolation. Rate of percolation means rate of percolation equal to the amount of water divided by time taken to percolate. Here amount of water is 200 ml and the time is 40. So 200 divided by 40. 5 milliliter per minute. Answer 5 milliliter per minute. Explain how soil pollution and soil erosion could be prevented. Soil pollution, how can we prevent soil pollution? Prevent soil pollution, we can use organic manure instead of chemical fertilizers. And the second one, the chemical waste from factory should be treated before it released. And third one, avoid the use of polythene bags or plastic, or it should not mix with sand or soil. By this way, we can prevent soil pollution. And next about soil erosion. To prevent soil erosion, the first option is afforestation, a large scale of planting trees. Second option, to avoid deforestation or avoid cut of trees. And increase stepwise farming in hill areas. By this way, we can prevent soil erosion to a limit. Next, 10th one, solve the following crossword puzzle with clues given. Plantation, prevent it. Answer, erosion. Youth should be banned to avoid soil pollution. Polythene. 6. Type of soil used for making pottery. Clay soil. 7. Living organism in the soil. Earthworm. Down. In desert, soil erosion occurs through wind. 3. Clay and loam are suitable for cereals like wheat. 4. This type of soil can hold very little water. Sandy. 5th, collective name for layers of soil. So, answer, profile. So this chapter is over. In this chapter we have learned the formation of soil is called weathering, different layers of soil, soil profile, different types of soil, and the properties of soil, and at last but not least about soil pollution, soil erosion, different types of crops that growing in different soil. So now I wind up this session. I have attached notes as well as test paper. All you have to attend the test paper. I have also provided a link. So we can meet in the next session. Children, take care. Thank you.